Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will show you some amazingly beautifully crafted app by the big brands. So sometimes you don't be creative, a simple minimal ads can put big impact to your audience. So my name is Shubham. In today's video I will show you some of the amazing beautifully crafted apps by the big brands. So without wasting any time, let's dive. So as you can see on this screen, Timex wants to criticize of the modern smart watches, so people get notified every time while they are seeing just the time. So with a simple message they deliver know the time without seeing your 129 unread emails. So sometimes people got distracted and got confused, they want to just see the time. I'm also using this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Yeah, people got distracted about the smart watches, so they just want to deliver a simple and certain message. The watches are important for the only see the time. So that is amazing in collaboration with AdSum the ad, and this is highly important message they want to deliver to their customer. So yeah, this is analog watch ad, cleverly crafted this ad, and it is really amazing, deliver the good message to the right customer. This is one of my favorite ad by the Gold Gym. So as you can see at the first row of text, so by the help of this man, this is kind of, we can read it like fat, but when in the middle it is some kind of fat and fit combination. So when you go to the gym again and again and again, and by the end of the months or couple of months, then you will convert your fat to fit. So that is really simple and minimal app they want to deliver to the customer and hook the. So sometimes it's always you be minimal, don't be creative, and just deliver the right message to the customer and hook, and that is also the part of big marketing campaign. So next we will design an amazing ad in Canva also to hook our coffee shop customers. So let's design an amazing minimal beautifully crafted apps which cleverly we can hook our customers. So let's move to there. First, as you can see, I have selected this Instagram post size, and we want to create an amazing minimal app for a coffee shop, and we want to hook our customer which is related to the customers. And now I'm just adding my text, a break time. Okay, so people got forgot about taking breaks, so I'm just writing while busy in their work. So I'm just writing a simple break time. This is my key message I want to deliver. Yeah, so this looks good to me, and now I am searching for the right image. I have already have some of my images, so this image I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is looks good to me, and I will place it into the center. Yeah, that is looks good. Yeah, and I will change this coffee area to the watch because it shows the time. So I'm using, first go to elements and add a one circle mask over there, and like this. Okay, yeah, it now I'm going to add one watch inside it. So yeah, this is the watch I'm gonna use. So I'm just increase the size of it like this. You can expand it as much as you can, because yeah, it is actually cover the area we want. And now I'm just pressing done. So as you can see, our image is covered the coffee area, and now I'm going to change the background color according to the coffee. So I'm just simply search the coffee here, and Canva is really smart and shows the colors which actually go with the coffee. So now I am going to change the font, which is fun or kind of a minimal. So I'm using this run deck smooth for this. Yeah, it's a bit playful and all, and I'm also changing the color according to the mug color. Like this is the red, you can see this one is looks good to me. And now I'm going to add like just a simple, it looks like creative ad, so I'm just adding a simple geometric pattern which help me to, yeah, I'm also use the same color. Just delete this, I'm going to use this color and send it to the back, and just simply down the opacity. And if you want to add the brand name here, then you can just simply take a small text and write your name, coffee shop. Okay, so in this way you can place it over here, and you can, I suggest you to make it a bit lighter, so because we want to hook the customer, and as much as it is a popular brand, so people got to know about it. So yeah, it's just make it capitalized to looks better. And so in this ad I'm going to deliver a key message: people take breaks and have a coffee. So this is what works. People got busy in their work and to skip the break, so don't skip. I just want to hook our customers to take breaks and have a coffee. So let's design another ad which is also correlated and quickly to make in Canva. So I'm just using this image for it. I'm just placing it as a background. So as you can see, I have used the red color. So for a particular brand we are working on any project, so we need to be consistent about in terms of color. So I'm using this amazing feature by the Canva, it's called color edit. So I'm just placing on this green and try to make it red. So I'm just head to the red, and as you can see the green cup is converted into the red, so it looks pretty amazing. And now yeah, so here I'm going to add my text is you want kind of cravings I want to generate, like when someone see this ad they are crave for the coffee. So yeah, I'm just asking for the question, do you want one more for you? So I'm going to just simply change the font to any fun font, which is actually the message is also the font. So I'm using this Arcan hand font, and I'm going to just go to effect and add this subtle background, but I'm choosing this yeah, this is not good. Okay, yeah, this is looks good to me. And now okay, so as you can see this is hidden by the image and not so I'm just going to add a simple gradient, faded gradient when you search. Yeah, so here you will get the right elements, so just place it over here, because the image we designed this ad make it product friendly, or center of this ad is product. We want to hook our customer by seeing the product. So this is what the idea, and we designed something amazing, beautifully crafted minimal apps that hook our customer in terms of coffee shops. And you can also design it for any business you want. So sometimes you don't be creative, some simple ads for your business hook the right customers and put a big impact to the right audience. So don't be creative, sometimes minimal app can done everything for you. So that's it for this amazing video guys, hope you learned something new. So the key message of this video is sometimes you don't be very creative, sometimes you need to design minimal, which puts the big impact. As you can see, the big brand is also deliver the right message by don't be creative. So thank you. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe. It's motivate us to create more amazing contents for you. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. So see you into this next amazing video. Bye.